Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to destination for trusted reviews and expert breakdowns of the best beauty products on the market. Today, we're talking about the best leave-in spray 200 megaliters conditioner that's making serious waves in the haircare world. Marc Anthony's Grow Long Leave-In Conditioner Spray and Detangler. This leave-in spray is not just another bottle on the shelf, it's a powerhouse formula that's been crafted with a purpose. If you're dealing with frizz, dryness, or damaged strands, this product is designed to tackle all of that in one simple step. It features a unique blend of ingredients that your hair will thank you for. Caffeine, ginseng, and vitamin E come together to help fortify your strands, reduce split ends, and prevent breakage. What you're getting here is a conditioner that doesn't just sit on your hair. It works deep within to strengthen and detangle, leaving your locks smoother, shinier, and full of life. Now let's talk about usage. It couldn't be easier. Just spray it evenly onto wet or damp hair from root to tip. There's no need to rinse, it's a true leave-in. You'll want to comb through it gently and then style as you normally would. Whether you air dry or blow dry, it holds up beautifully and adds that extra layer of softness without feeling greasy or heavy. And because it's suitable for all hair types, you don't have to worry if you've got curls, waves, or straight hair. This spray has got you covered. One thing that stands out about Marc Anthony as a brand is their commitment to innovation. Their team of stylists and beauty experts travel the world sourcing ingredients and formulating products that are high quality yet accessible. The Grow Long collection, which this spray belongs to, is focused on nourishing your hair to help it grow stronger and healthier looking, without any false promises about regrowth. It's not a hair growth tonic, but it supports the length you already have by keeping it intact and healthy. The formula is also free from sulfates, parabens, SLS, and phthalate, making it a cleaner choice for those who are conscious about what goes into their hair care. Plus, it has a pleasant, light scent that doesn't overpower, making the application process feel like a mini spa moment. Shipping internationally? No problem. It's available on Amazon with global delivery options, including to India, so you can get salon-quality results no matter where you are in the world. To wrap it up, if you're in the market for a multifunctional, nourishing, and effective leave-in conditioner, Marc Anthony's Grow Long Leave-In Spray is a solid choice. It's lightweight, easy to use, and backed by a brand that understands real haircare needs. For the price point, you're getting a high-performing product that brings visible results. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you've tried this product or have any questions. We love hearing from you. Until next time, take care and keep your hair happy.